Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To all the students who were encamped in any university in the United States, I want to say, Jazakumullahu khairan. May Allah reward you. You are extremely courageous. Number two, don't get disappointed. Don't get disappointed. This is not new. It happened at the time of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. When we don't see the real victory, actual victory, it doesn't mean it is not there. The victory is there. It's just the timing is the timing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam signed the treaty of Al-Hudaybiyah, if you read the details of it, you think they lost. However, less than 2 years later, Allah gave him the victory of conquering Mecca. You have showed us what courage means. You've showed us what does it mean to stand up for the sake of Allah, for the sake of justice, to be the voice of those who doesn't have a voice. Enough for you all that you are receiving. Thank you. Gratitude from the children of Gaza. May Allah protect you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala use you. And you never know. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give victory at the time He decides.